So I'm going to show you how to reset your iPhone without losing your data. So if you factory reset your iPhone, you're going to lose all your data, including photos, apps, and everything. But you can reset all the settings of your iPhone without losing your data. To do that, go to Settings. Under Settings, you're going to go to General, tap on that. And then under General, if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that, and then tap on Reset. And then you'll see different options like resetting all settings, reset network settings, how to delete all eSIMs, all that stuff. What you need to do is tap on reset all settings. Now, when you do that, it's going to ask for your passcode. Once you enter your passcode and confirm you want to reset all settings, this is going to reset all your settings, including your Wi-Fi settings, Bluetooth settings, mobile connection settings, every setting you've made in accessibility. Every single setting on your iPhone is going to be reset back to default, but all your data is going to remain intact. I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching and good luck.